We're ready to go.
Hello, I'm Aunt Lizzie's teacher.
All right, tell everybody your name.
My name is Haley Now Duprow.
This is Hadley. Um, and we are going through our tutoring session together. So, Hadley, the first thing we are going to talk about is our expectations during this lesson, okay? Our first one is we're going to be kind and super respectful to each other when we talk. Our next one is we're going to give our best effort and ask questions if things are unclear, and we're going to really try using the strategies that we've learned today, okay? Then we're going to try and stay engaged and motivated throughout the lesson, which you do a great job at. And we are going to follow directions and actively participate. And you do all these things really good at, okay? We're just setting the standard for our lesson. Okay, so today, Hadley, we are going to keep building on our syllable work that we did last time, but this time we are going to learn a cool, different way of how to split up longer words so we could read them better. But before we start our new strategy, we're going to review our vowels together and the 6-syllable types that we've learned. Okay? All right, so let's get started. Our vowels.
A,
Good.
I, I,
Mm-hmm.
O,
And you?
U,
Good job. All right, Hadley. So our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. All right, we're going to go over our syllable types now. Well, we're going to use our anchor chart that we did last time. So our first one is a closed syllable, and it ends in a consonant. Do you remember how it makes that vowel?
Mm-hmm.
Does it make it short or long?
It makes it short.
Short. Good. Our next one is an open syllable, and it ends in a vowel. How does that make our vowel sound?
Long.
Long. And our next one is our silent E. So at the end of a word, our E is silent, okay? And that makes our vowel sound how? Long. Good. Our next one is our vowel teams. It's when two vowels work together to make one sound. And then we have our R controlled vowels, and the R really controls that vowel, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. And lastly, but not least, is our consonant LE. What's at the end of a word with consonant LE? What are the two letters?
LE.
LE. So it ends, so all of our words will end in LE for consonant LE. All right, girlfriend. Good job. High five. I love it. All right. So now we're going to be talking about our new strategy called syllable division patterns. And we are going to learn 2 patterns today. Those patterns are vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and vowel, consonant, vowel. Okay, so our first one, our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel is when 2 consonants are in between vowels. And we are going to split our consonants, or not consonants, we're going to split the word in between our consonants. So the first one, for example, is napkin. Napkin. The first vowel that I see in napkin is A. And the second vowel that I see in napkin is I. And the 2 consonants in between are P and K. Yeah. So when I'm reading this word, Hadley, I'm going to split in between the consonants, P and K, and I'm going to read it as napkin. Napkin. So that is a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Our next example is music. music. So when I write out music, I'm going to look at my vowels first. So my vowels are U and I. And we have a consonant in the middle, and that is an S. So when we're looking at this, Hadley, for VCV words, we are going to split our words after the first vowel, okay? So I'm splitting it after the first vowel. So I'm going to read this as music. Music. Some other examples, Hadley, is the word crimson. Crimson. So when we're looking at this, I see the vowel I, and I also see the vowel O. And in between I and O, I see the consonants M and S. So I'm going to split between my M and my S, my consonants, and I'm going to read this word as crimson. Crimson. You see how I split it? Okay, another example is solo. Solo. So my first vowel that I see is O, and the second vowel that I see is another O, and our consonant is L. So when I'm looking at a VCV word, Hadley, I'm going to do a split after the vowel and before the consonant. Okay? So when I read this word, I'm going to read it as solo. Solo. Okay, let's do two more examples. We have dentist. Dentist. My first vowel in dentist is an E, and my second vowel is an I. My two consonants in the middle are N and T. All right, so when I'm reading this word, I'm going to split it in between the consonants, right? So when I read this word, it's going to read dentist. Good job, Hadley. I like that you're reading it with me. That's a VCCV word. Okay, our last example for VCCV and VCV words is frozen. So my first vowel, Hadley, in the word frozen is an O. Okay? And my second vowel is an E. So my consonant is a Z. Is a Z. Good job identifying that. Okay, so when I split this word, I'm gonna split it in between
the vowel and the consonant.
The vowel and the consonant. Good job, Hadley. Okay, so when I read this word,
Frozen.
I'm gonna read it as frozen. Frozen. Good job, Hadley. You did a great job. I like that you're reading it out loud with me. Way to go. Okay, so our next thing I have for you to do, I'm going to help you in the beginning, but then I'm going to let you have it completely on your own independently. Is we're going to build words.
Build words.
Oh, I'm going to show you. So I have some letter tiles. Can you help me spread these out so we can see our words? Show everybody our letter tiles that we have.
Cool.
Awesome. Okay, we're going to spread these out so we can spread the first word or build the first word.
Are we building a new word?
We are going to build new words. This is exciting. Okay. Are you ready, girlfriend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so our first word, we are going to build a VCCV word, a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel word. Our first one is sudden. Sudden. So let's find our letters for sudden. So I need an S.
I forgot which way does it go. Does it go this way?
S. What other letter do I need? U. What else, Hadley?
D.
Another D.
Wait, no.
Sudden. What else do I need? An E. And what's my last letter, Hadley? N. Okay, Hadley. When we're looking at this word, I want you to identify the vowels in the word.
Sudden.
What are my vowels? And awesome. Awesome. So how am I gonna split that up, Hadley? So how will we read that?
Sudden.
Sudden. Good job, Hadley. Okay, our next word. Are you ready? Our next word is melon. Help me find the words for melon. Or not words, the letters. What else? What other letters do I need, Hadley?
L. Wait, where's now?
L.
O.
Melon.
Where is the N?
N. Okay. All right. Can you identify our vowels?
Since we already used that E. You see right here.
Hadley, what kind of word is this?
A vowel, consonant, vowel.
Good. How would you split it up to read it?
Melon.
Good. How we say it all together?
Melon.
Melon. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna give you a few words for you to do, and you tell me what kind of pattern it is, okay? I want you to spell goblin.
Where is the G?
I'm gonna spread these out.
I'm looking for a L. Where's N? Is there any spell problem?
Okay. So what are my vowels? Mm-hmm.
Goblin.
Good job, Hadley. Good job. You spelled that right. You identified it correctly. Okay, you ready for your next word? Spell pilot.
What's the pin? Why is the What does it? Wait, where's the I? Wait, do I start I after P? I forgot.
Pilot.
Yeah, I do. Is it how you spell pilot? What's the
Pilots. Good. What kind of word is that?
Maybe it was that one. Oh, I forget. Yeah,
What kind of word is it?
it is a VCV. Pilot.
Good splitting, Hadley. Okay, we'll do a few more. Hadley, I want you to spell the word trumpets. I'll space these out for you. Trumpets.
Where's the what I can't get the Trump.
Trumpets. Sure. I want you to sound it out. How do you spell trumpet?
TRUMPIN.
Trumpet.
OB.
Trumpets. Hear my last sound. Trumpets.
That's T.
Trumpet.
Where's the T? Where's the wait, now I need an I. You need it?
Okay.
There's no B?
No, you had it. You were good. All right. Here, I'll go get that L. You identify.
That's a weird E. I mean C. Trumpet.
Good job, Hadley. All right, we'll do one more word. Um,
Then we can move to this.
and then we
paper.
can we'll move on to something else actually before we get to that. Okay, our final word, Hadley, is human.
I know how to spell that. I choose.
Oh, show me.
Where's the
Human.
Is there another N? Wait,
Human.
I know there's an N here.
You sound it out. Mm.
Where's the N? Is that how you spell
You sound it out. Human.
Oh yeah. Oh, tartar sauce. It's supposed to be A.
Okay. What do you need to do?
Um. C. Oh my goodness. C. Human.
Good. Say it all together.
Human.
Good job, Hadley. All right, girly. You did super, super great with our word building. So proud of you. Okay, next, Hadley, is I'm going to give you this flashcard of words, and I want you to identify the vowels and then split them all by yourself.
Splendid.
Good job. The next one.
Happen.
Good job.
Talent.
Good job. Awesome. Keep going.
Humor.
Good job. Doing great.
Picnic.
Good job, Hadley.
Silver.
Good job. Next word.
Plate. Plate. Planet.
Good self-correcting, Hadley. Good job.
I bet it's a plate.
But you did a great job self-correcting. I'm really proud of you for doing that.
Student. Bottle. Contest.
Contest. Good job, Hadley. All right, girly. You're doing amazing. Good job identifying your vowels and consonants and knowing where to split them and reading them. Good job decoding them. All right. Our next thing and our last thing that we're going to do together, Hadley, is we're going to read a story. Okay, Hadley. So this is what I want you to do, okay? When you read, I really want you to use your finger to track our reading.
Can I put with this?
You could do it with a marker, but I want you to stay on the paper while we read the story, okay? So I want you to start us off. You start with a pen.
Sam and his family visited a Disney theme park on a bright morning. They rode the roller coaster and went to see the parade with music and lights. Sam brought a snack and used a napkin so you would not spill anything. His sister pointed at a big castle in the center of the park. They walked past the shop that sold a small robot toy. After that, they rolled a ride called Frozen Adventure. I wrote that one. It's fun. Sam felt very happy when he saw his favorite characters waving at the parade. At the end of the day, they took a picture near a giant melon drink stand. What's that?
Good job.
What's a giant melon? What's a melon drink stand?
A melon drink stand. You know how at Disney they have like stands where you could buy drinks.
Well, snacks, but not drinks.
Snacks. Well, sometimes they might have drinks. In this story, they had a drink stand, and it was a melon. Yeah, a melon stand. Okay, so now what I want you to do, Hadley, is I want you to look for words in this story that are from the patterns that we've learned. So I want you to find VCCV words and VCV words.
And highlight them.
And highlight them.
I'm gonna shake this. I gotta be shake.
Is it ready?
Maybe.
You want to test it out on here first? Okay, I think that's great. All right.
I can.
All you, girlfriend.
Oh no.
That's okay. You can leave it like that.
I'm gonna underline them.
Okay.
I can't tell if coasters also one. I think coaster might be one.
Awesome job, Hadley. Way to go. You did a great job identifying vowel consonant vowel words and vowel consonant vowels. I'm very proud of you for your hard work. Thanks for staying engaged and motivated throughout. I'm very proud of you. Thank you. All right.
Thanks for watching.
All right. Awesome.